The first lift is gonna be very simple. Lady is going to just walk toward the partner, starting with the left leg. 1, 2. 2 steps close to the partner. Place your left hand behind the man's neck. One more time. 1, 2. Leg behind the neck. We're very close to each other. Man's hand is around the partner's waist. Lady is raising the left hand. And man is placing his left hand below the lady's knee, below the leg. Now for the lady, it's very important to flex your core muscles, stiffen your body a little bit, because it's way easier to lift you when you do that than when your body is relaxed and loose. So remember about flexing the core a little bit. Also use your left hand to push yourself off the man's shoulder up. For the man, it's very important to transfer the body weight on the right leg before going into the lift. Thanks to this, you're very close to your partner. Ladies, remember to place your hand really deep behind the partner's neck to the point when your palm is on the opposite shoulder of a man. Thanks to this, you can really easily use this hand to support yourself and push off this hand, and partner will have an easier job lifting you. For the man, it's important to keep the back straight, lift with your legs. So first bend your right knee, especially right one, go into the squat and lift with your legs. And obviously timing is crucial, so lady is pushing off the leg that she's standing on and man is raising at the same time.